This month has been a busy one for the virtual productions team, as we have released several new videos. First up is how to install your Lippert RV cover. This video guides you step by step through preparing your unit for installation and then installing the cover, ensuring your RV is protected from the elements and ready for storage. Next, Mark demonstrates how to safely discharge and replace the capacitor on a Furrion air conditioner. This essential tutorial covers the tools you'll need, safety precautions, and the correct procedure to get your unit running smoothly again. Finally, we introduce the True Course installation video. This walkthrough shows you how to install the True Course module and pair it with the app, giving you peace of mind that you're safer in sway events. In addition to these, make sure to check out all the walkthrough videos for the FCR16DC ASA model refrigerator. You can find all these and many more on the Lippert YouTube channel. Let's check in with the Tech Pubs team and see what they have been up to this month.
This month, the Technical Publications team has released several new documents and made important updates to existing ones. First, we're introducing the installation manual for the Happy Jack 4-strap bed lift owner's manual. This document provides detailed guidance on troubleshooting and maintenance for the system, helping users keep their equipment running smoothly. Next, we've published the Belvedere Ford Transit Pop Top owner's manual. This manual is designed to familiarize users with the operation and troubleshooting of the Pop Top, making it easier to understand and maintain. Finally, revisions have been made to the Level Up and Ground Control TT Lite manuals. These updates include key information about proper storage, ensuring users have the latest recommendations to protect their systems during downtime. You can find all of these and many more on the Lippert support site. Let's check in with Lauren and see what's behind the scenes with the training team.
Thanks, Mark. We are back again with more exciting in-person events for RV technicians and owners. We are proud to announce that our first RV owner training of 2026 is now open for registration. Join us in Tampa, Florida on Tuesday, January 20th for a one-day crash course on your favorite Lippert products straight from the source. You'll have 8 class sessions to choose from, which will allow you to only attend what courses matter most to you. Seats are expected to fill up quickly for this event, so be sure to secure yours today. But that's not all. We've got exciting opportunities for RV and utility trailer technicians too. While our team is in Tampa, we're hosting a one-day RV technician training that will cover Furrion air conditioners, tankless water heaters, and a brand new course on Lippert's SureSlide slide-out system. We will also be hosting a one-day utility trailer seminar, so be sure to check out both of these events. If hands-on training is more your style, we encourage you to check out our technician service schools. These are 2.5-day events hosted at our facility here in Indiana. At these trainings, technicians will have the opportunity to utilize our hands-on mock-ups to recreate situations they may encounter while working in the field. We've got opportunities coming up in January and February, so be sure to check them out. These are just a few highlights from this last month and for what is coming up here at the Technical Institute. From our engaging YouTube channels to the comprehensive online learning platform of our Technical Institute and our ever-helpful support site, we've got you covered. Each resource is thoughtfully designed to inspire, educate, and empower. Whether you're just starting your RV journey or you're a seasoned technician, there's something valuable for everyone. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore our latest releases. We look forward to seeing you there.